If you've ever looked into living off campus, you will probably have heard the term subletting. Subletting is when a tenant on a lease is replaced by a new person for part of their lease term. Most leases in Boston are for 12 months, so subletting is very common because students with leases may leave Boston for co-ops for the summer. Some students may decide to find a sublet rather than signing a lease if they already know they will only be in Boston for a short term. When subletting your apartment, the most important thing to do is get permission from your landlord before you sublet it. Some landlords will charge a fee to allow you to sublet. This fee should be written in your lease and can be up to 1 month's rent. Our online housing database is a great resource when finding someone to sublet your room and to find a sublet to live in yourself. On the Housing tab, students can post their sublets on the database, so people interested in subletting can contact them directly. On the Roommates tab, tenants that will be staying in the apartment can create roommate profiles and mark that they have a room that needs to be filled. Students looking for a room to sublet can search through potential roommates and apartments there. Once you have found a sublet, you will need a sublease agreement. This is a contract that explains the terms of the sublet. Things to include are how rent will be paid, the dates of a sublease term, what furniture will be included, and who is responsible for the utilities and security deposit. Some landlords may have a sublease agreement for you to use, but frequently students will draft their own. Templates for sublease agreements can be found online. If you want someone to review a sublease agreement before you sign it, send it to our office and we will go over it with you.
Follow the steps to subletting found on our website to guide yourself through the process. Contact our office with any questions you have.